Good morning, everybody. Coming to you today. Got a little bit of a wiring issue here. This truck come to me with the left rear taillight not working. The right one does. They had somebody else look at this, and they went and done some probing. There's lots of tape on here. Lots of tape. This one looks like they tried to make a jumper wire to see if it'd work. Lots of little spots here. This wire right here is the one that runs the left side taillight. It's been pinpricked there, taped up there, pinprick there, and I actually pulled that wire apart. This is the other end of the wire, right there. I went and cleaned that up. Got power coming through it. It's all gone. As you come down through here, and this pigtail right here goes to your license plate light. And it's been pinpricked. This is your ground wire. And you come over here to the right side. Every one of these wires has been pinpricked. There's even green there. That light worked. I don't understand why that had to been probed like that. 100% of the time, when I get a taillight job in, first thing I do is I go for the bulb. When I pulled the bulb out, it was blowed. So by just replacing that bulb, could have saved all of this. Because this truck wasn't like this last year. I couldn't believe this. So if y'all are out there, you have a tail light or turn signal or something that's out, go for the easiest place. Replace the bulb first. And if that don't work, have somebody that look at it, but don't look at it like this. This was unnecessary. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there, and we'll see y'all around. Thank you very much. Bye.